What's up, everybody? My name is Derek Mullen, and I want to help you get a life insurance license. Let's get started. Have you ever thought about getting a life insurance license? Of course, you never thought about getting a life insurance license. Of course, nobody wakes up in the morning and say, you know what? I think today I'm going to go by and get that life insurance license. Yeah, I think it's a good day to do that. I never thought about getting a life insurance license either, but here's how I got into the life insurance industry, and here's the reason why I want to help you get started in getting your own life insurance license. One thing you have to understand is that there's 95 million Americans right now that do not have life insurance. And with that number being said, I can pretty much guess that there's an opportunity. Wouldn't you agree? There's a huge opportunity. There's also a statistics, and if you look this up right now, that was dated back for 2015, that actually said that 4 out of 10 people currently do not have any life insurance. And let me tell you one of the reasons why I got started in the industry. So I left my job, and just like you, I was ignorant to the fact that the only coverage I knew to have was to show them my job. So I had an agent come out who actually came out to me and basically sat down with me and showed me how to better protect my family. And we got all the paperwork done. We exchanged money, and he exchanged a little piece of paper that said I was covered. And there you have it. Once the exchange was done, he just said, hey, by the way, had you done for me what I've done for you, this is how much money you would have made. Let's pause right there. One thing you have to understand is that we've been taught to be consumers all our life. But most times, most people do not take the time to show you how they did what they did, so that way you can do what they do. You know the reason why most people don't do that? Sometimes it's just greedy. I just think some people just want to keep the secret to themselves and don't want to let anybody else know about it. I'm here today to let you know that I'm letting the secret out, and I'm letting everybody know. Let's say the average person is going to spend about $83 a month to make sure that their family is properly protected. He said they paid him in advance for writing up the policy, and they paid him 50% of what the annual premium was going to be in advance. When he finished up what he said, he ended up making $500 off me. Stop right there. First thing somebody would say, did this dude just make money off me? But no, I didn't look at it like that. I simply said, okay, so you sat here for it was an hour, and you made $500? I need to know how to do that. I need you to share with me how to do that. So I asked him, I said, well, what do I need to do that? All you need to do is get a life insurance license and pass a background check. All I need to do is pass a background check and get a license? Hell, that's all you gotta do. But that's what I did. Yeah, all you need is a license. So I'm just here to tell you right now that we know that there's 95 million Americans that don't have life insurance, which means that there's a huge market and it's a huge opportunity for someone like me and someone like you who can go out and show people how to properly protect their families. And not only that, you can also show them how they can actually make money in the business. Same thing that I'm sharing with you, you can share with somebody else. Because right now, most Americans right now are living paycheck to paycheck, and they're trying to figure out how can they make ends meet. Some people are going out to get another part-time job, and they have to work 20 hours maybe just to make an extra $200 to $300. That's taking up more of your time, taking more time away from your family. But what if we can show you a way where you can do that, make the same if not more for just an hour or 2 to 3 hours a week? Would it be worth it to you? If it's worth it to you, then what you need to do is basically just email me at derekmullen@yahoo.com. derekmullen@yahoo.com. Inbox me, email me, and that way we can actually touch base, exchange some information, and see if this will be a good fit for you. What I'm looking to do is I'm looking to sponsor up to 6 people this month, in the month of June, for a class that I'm co-hosting to make sure that you can get licensed to do the same thing that I do, to make sure that you can actually take an opportunity to actually change your life. My name is Derek Mullen, and I want to help you get a life insurance license.